Alright guys, today we're going to be exploring a airsoft map with Colton. He's new to this channel. There's also a head mount that comes with this. So this is where most of our airsoft wars will take place, which we have a paintball video coming out soon. So look forward to that. What is you doing? Be careful with that coming down here. So, okay.
Wires out there.
Holy crap. Oh wait. I need to keep this out of the video. No, because it's still gonna be in the video. They're just gonna leave it right there. I swear if that gets this channel a strike, I'm gonna lose it.
Is your dad here?
No.
No. You work?
Yeah.
Oh, I thought you were about to go step in that water. You said you have socks on, right?
No. So this is the airsoft map that we're playing on, that we like to play on. Right here, up here is where we take cover a lot. Because, let me see, what is that? Oh yeah, we've played here before, right. That's where I spilt my speed loader. The 2 speed loaders that I lost. Yeah, I lost them, so. Don't tell me you did what I think you did. Oh, okay.
You really thought I shoved it on my nose?
Yeah, I did.
I'm not that kind to do that. Who do you think stronger, Coach Michael or Kayla?
Coach Michael.
Yeah. Who do you think stronger?
Okay, quit with these questions. Let's talk about airsoft.
I saw dinosaur prints
Where?
over there.
Dang.
And right there.
Those are just cow prints.
Did I do it?
So there's this pond. That's nice. You know what that is?
Cow manure.
It's a cow patty.
Remember this?
What?
Remember where we would get all that mud? Go on there
Yeah.
and then just to grab the piece of mud.
Go try and push that tree over.
This?
Yeah.
I can't do that. You gonna help?
I'll help. Just give it a try by yourself. I would try to push it that way.
No.
All right, I'll help.
Yeah, this thing's rock solid.
All right, come on, ready?
Oh, it's moving a little.
Yeah, barely. All right, so.
So we make a video on the buggy.
No, those don't do too good. And plus, this is an airsoft channel for airsoft. And this is an airsoft map that we're doing, so.
Just to ride around.
So let's just film this for a little bit.
Alright, should we review? Like a review of this?
Oh yeah, we'll do that afterwards. Let's look up here.
Rocks.
Yeah.
Have y'all done your field trip yet?
What? No, we haven't had a field trip yet.
We've only had 0.
This is pretty cool.
We had 2 last year for no reason.
Yeah, this year we're going to Incredible Pizza, a stadium, Urban Air,
Yeah.
and one more I forgot.
Blackberries.
Yeah,
Want one?
nah, they aren't washed.
They're better when they're fresh.
All right, we can go and review it now. We can go review now.
That's right there.
Nah,
Wow.
cause. Oh, all right, let's write it right here. So, what would you give it?
7.5.
I'll give it a solid 8. All right, see you guys in the next one.